Have you ever wondered if someone could be watching you through a webcam? It's a chilling thought, but unfortunately, it's possible if the right protections aren't in place. In this video, I'll guide you through the 6 foolproof methods to secure your webcam on Windows 11, ensuring your privacy and peace of mind. Let's dive in. First up, let's tackle websites. Many websites request webcam access, but not all of them need it. To manage this, open your browser. Open browser settings, navigate to privacy and security, go down to site settings. From here you can control permissions, and under permissions you click on camera, then you can block access. Use my camera, you can block access to unwanted sites from here. You can do that from here. This step ensures that no website has authorized access to your webcam. Next, let's audit which apps have access to your camera. Here is how. Go to settings, privacy and security, select camera. Over here you can review apps that have access to your camera and you can turn them on or off, and these are also applications that actually have access. Regularly checking this list can significantly enhance your webcam security. Windows 11 includes a remote desktop feature that, if enabled, can allow remote access to your system, including your webcam. If you don't use remote desktop, best to disable it. You go to settings to disable your webcam, click on system, click on remote desktop, and you have to toggle it off. These steps add another layer of protection to your webcam. The simplest way to ensure no one can spy on you through your webcam is to physically block it. So if optional, you can actually get a webcam cover to cover your camera, or you can use a piece of tape or a sticker to block your webcam this way. So these are ways you can use to block your webcam physically. Webcam covers are inexpensive and they are widely available online. If you use an external webcam, unplugging it when not in use is a highly effective way to secure it. This completely cuts off access to the device. Remember, convenience shouldn't outweigh security. Disable your webcam in Device Manager. For built-in webcams that can't be unplugged, you can disable them through Device Manager. Right-click on the Start button, click on Device Manager, expand it to the camera section. Over here, you can right-click and click on Disable Device. This disables my webcam, but I can disable that now. If I do, you won't see it anymore. So, click on Disable Camera and it's gone. This method renders the camera inoperable until you have to come back again to re-enable it again for it to be operable. Securing your webcam is essential in today's digital age. By following these 6 steps, you are taking a proactive approach to protect your privacy. Have you tried any of these methods? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others stay secure. Thanks for watching KinspireTech, and we'll see you in the next video.